Imagine making $500 a day just by creating TikTok videos. Sounds unreal? Stick around because I'm about to spill the tea on how you can make it happen with TikTok animation. Welcome back to Miss Oma Studio. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and join the community. Today we're diving into how you can cash in on TikTok. There are tons of ways to make money like TikTok Shop Affiliate, selling digital products, brand deals, and the creativity program. Although these features aren't available in all countries, I've found a website that sells US TikTok accounts eligible for these monetization programs. So check the link in the description box to give it a try. But having an account is just a step one. You need a killer content that draws views and followers. And with the AI tools and strategies I'm about to show you, you'll be on your way to TikTok stardom in no time. So first, like any boss move, you need to do your homework. Research your niche, analyze competitors, and find your unique angle. For example, health and skincare is a goldmine niche. It attracts millions of viewers and is perfect for affiliate marketing. Let's create a video around a hot product like Milia More 15-day cleanse, gut and colon support. So now let's head over to Invideo AI, our trusty all-in-one platform that helps you generate scripts, voiceovers, and videos in minutes. They offer a free plan with 5 watermarked videos per week and paid plans with extra perks like voice cloning. So let's prompt Invideo to create a TikTok video for Milia More 15-day cleanse, gut and colon support, advanced gut cleanse detox for women and men. Highlight benefits like supporting digestive health, balancing gut microbiome, helping with bloating and discomfort, and supporting nutrient absorption. Ingredients include aloe vera, blah 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 blah. You could include it's a non-GMO supplement made in the USA. So once you enter the prompt, Invideo AI works its magic, creating a script, voiceover, and video for you in no time. Follow through the prompts, subsequent prompts that it will ask, like the theme, the tone, and others. So you just select which suits the aesthetics you want the film to have. And in no time your video will be ready. So you can go ahead to tweak the script or video as you wish if there are further adjustments you wish to implement, or you could just go ahead and use the prompt box for further customizations like adding subtitles to the video or changing the voice. So let's just proceed to add subtitle to our video. Remember, your video should follow a certain format that would not only hook your audience but keep them to watch your video to the end. So the format I would recommend is you start with the problem in order to hook the viewers. Then you proceed to detail the problem in order to engage the audience to want to watch further. Then you introduce the solution and finally include a call to action. Like, for example, check out the link in the description box below, or something like subscribe to the channel for more. Just a call to action that would prompt the audience to go to the next step to which you want them to. So you edit your video to match this format for maximum impact. You can also go a step further when editing your video by clicking the edit button here, in order to have access to the B-rolls compiled into the video and the script. So when you tap each clip, it will highlight the script the clip is attached to, which makes it easy to know which script you wish to change. For example, when you tap here, it highlights the script that it is attached to. That's the script, the particular sentence that was used in generating that particular B-roll. So as I mentioned earlier, we want our video to be in a certain format that will hook and engage our viewers. So there might be need to tweak our script. So you click on edit script in order to edit the script. You can add or remove chapters. It's entirely up to you. So let's do a bit of rewriting here. and click save in order to effect your changes. And here we go. So now let's check out our video.
Did you know that fatigue, sleep disorders, bloating, skin irritation, and digestive issues are all signs of poor gut health? Achieving a healthy body full of energy can significantly enhance your lifestyle. Milami More Cleanse is the way to go. This 15-day cleanse is like a spa day for your gut. Packed with natural ingredients like soothing aloe vera leaf gel and powerful licorice leaf extract, it's designed to support your digestive health. Balancing your gut microbiome has never been easier. Flaxseed powder and senna leaf join the party to help reduce bloating and discomfort. Imagine feeling lighter and more energized. Milami More Cleanse helps with nutrient absorption, giving your body the boost it needs. And the best part? It's non-GMO and made right here in the USA. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to a happier gut. Try Milami More Cleanse today.
Before posting, make sure your TikTok account name is unique and looks legit, not spammy. Trust me, that is the last thing you want, a spammy looking account. Not only will whatever content you're trying to push look unreliable, definitely will not help you for affiliate marketing either, because no one will trust whatever product you're recommending. Don't forget, there are tons of ways to make money on TikTok, like TikTok Shop Affiliate, selling digital products, brand deals, and creativity program. And each of these monetization opportunities are unlocked once you fulfill the minimum requirement. So if you happen to be in a country where it is not available, consider buying a US TikTok account. So what are you waiting for? Start your TikTok automation journey today and aim for that $500 daily goal. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Miss Oma Studio. Comment below on what videos you want to see next. Stay fabulous and happy TikToking.